I have grape, hyacinth, and wild garlic spreading across my Bermuda grass. How do I get rid of it? And this is from Eric over in Bartlett. So grape, hyacinth, and wild garlic growing in his Bermuda.
Yes.
Oh.
Basically, if he's going to go the chemical route, you're going to use two different chemicals.
Uh-oh, okay.
Because your grape hyacinth, you really need to spot spray that with some glyphosate.
Okay.
But the wild garlic, your 2,4-D will take care of that wild garlic.
Okay.
And of course, wild garlic is also known as wild onions.
Right.
And sometimes it may take 2 applications though.
Oh, it's going to be multiple applications.
Yes,
Dr.
bulbs. Yes, you're doing bulbs
Yeah.
here. Yes.
Right.
But those are the 2 ways to do it chemically. Now, if you want to just go out there and just, pull them up, I don't know how much of it that the person has.
Right.
They might want to do it that way as well.
Right. Yeah, I don't know how much either, but we've had a lot of moisture here lately.
Yes.
So it's real easy now to kind of get your trowel out and just work it out of the soil if it's not too much of it. But yeah, we're talking about bulbs. And the thing about wild garlic is this, though, I don't think people realize. I have it in my yard every year. It's a winter perennial, right? It has little bubblets at the bottom of it, okay? But wild garlic actually has leaves that are hollow and round.
Right.
While onions have leaves that are solid and flat.
Okay.
Right. So, I mean, there's your difference.
Okay.
And believe it or not, you can actually cook with the wild garlic. Have you done that before? I actually know a couple of people that
Actually,
have.
I just had a pesto made with wild garlic.
There you go.
Yeah,
Wow,
it was delicious.
Wow. See, there you have it. See, weed's not all bad. You can eat with them too, right?
Yeah.
It's not all bad. But yeah, using the 2,4-D, We Be Gone Max, is something that, of course, UT recommends that you can use. I would probably use the wipe technique because those leaves are real glossy. And then for your grape hyacinth, you mentioned the glyphosate, which is fine.
Yes.
Read the label on all of that. Okay, read the label.
And you can also add a little bit of dishwashing liquid to your solution, and that'll make it stick on there better also.
Yeah, break that surface tension, the cuticle.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.